Hello guys, today I'm going to share Shopsider reviews. In this video, you will get to know about the legitimacy of this website. So this is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are sweaters, trousers, sweatshirts, hoodies, skirts, accessories and so forth. And friends, the products are offered at very reasonable prices. And talking about the information related to payments, so guys, you can pay through PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express and Discover. And the estimated shipping time and shipping charges varies from country to country, as here we can see that products will be delivered within 7 to 12 days in United Kingdom, while it will take 5 to 8 days for a product to be delivered in New Zealand, and also shipping cost varies as per the destination country. And talking about its return policies, so here we can see that the return policy lasts for 14 days, so you can request to return the product within 14 days from the delivery date, and refund will be initiated within 7 business days in the original mode of payment. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of the website. So guys, Shopsider is protected through HTTPS protocol and have SSL certification. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a good sign. And it was registered on 17th September 2013. Thus, the website is popular among the people as it is into existence from past many years. And guys, talking about the contact information, so here on the official page of the website we can see that company's address, its phone number and email ID is given, which is hi@shopsider.com. And in our endeavor to find the authenticity of the address, so on Google search we found that the mentioned address is exactly correct. Addition to this, friends, the links of social media lend us on the official page of Shopsider, and the number of followers on this page are quite impressive. And talking about the Shopsider reviews, guys, so we found many positive reviews over the internet where customers have stated that the quality of the products delivered is awesome. Addition to this, we can see that the images of the product are real, and apart from this, the content over the website is 100% unique. So friends, all these points let us to believe that Shopsider.com is a legitimate and trustworthy website. Friends, however, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share your shopping experience in the comment section below. And do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Bye bye guys.